Delivering advice at scale across diverse customer segments is a big challenge for most financial institutions. People seek advice when they have a need, like buying a home, taking a vacation, or planning for retirement. Too often, that advice is delivered in silos, and holistic financial planning has been reserved for the wealthy. Sadly, up to 90% of people don't have access to a financial plan. It's no wonder that people feel frustrated and confused on how to achieve their financial goals. At Conquest, we believe everyone deserves access to great advice, when, where, and how they want it. That's why we've built an engine that can deliver advice at scale across all your customer segments and meet their needs using digital, hybrid, or traditional advice delivery. From simple to complex plans, our engine covers it all. Sam, our strategic advice manager, will equip customers to set goals on their own. Sam delivers strategies for goal achievement that are based on who the customer is, what their goals are, and what they are willing to do. Enabling digital advice with gamification and goal progress makes the experience fun and engaging, all the while presenting opportunities to provide additional value. What happens if clients get stuck and need help? They can reach out to your team for assistance at any time. Sam will equip the team with all the data insights needed to easily understand who the customer is, what they have done so far, and how to meet their ongoing needs, improving customer satisfaction and delivering consistent, high-quality experiences. Only 10% of people have access to a financial plan because traditional financial planning processes are cumbersome and outdated. With Conquest, Sam equips your financial advisory team with data-driven insights to make the planning experience more efficient and engaging for both clients and advisors. Empower your advisor team with superhero status to maximize clients' goal achievement, uncover new opportunities, and provide ongoing solutions to navigate life's twists and turns. Amplify customer value with modern advice delivery, powered by Conquest.